This old guy DIY has to do with a very cost-effective, excellent chair for working on cars or around the garage. But this is a shower chair or a medical chair. It's used by people who have limited mobility. See, it has these rubber feet, and then the height is adjustable with this little detent and those holes. But I've been using these things over the years, and I buy them at local auction places or yard sales for $5 or $7. But when it comes to working on the car, they work out perfectly. For example, when I'm working here on the wheels or tires, you know, it allows me to just stick my toes up under here, and I've got a nice stable surface, and there's no issue at all with the thing sliding out on you. So whether you want to sit on it or stand on it or use it as a tool rack, that's all great. And then a few minutes ago, I was putting an oil pressure sensor in this vehicle, and I just set that Webelo chair. I call it Webelo, like not quite a Boy Scout, but it can do about 18 things, kind of like a Boy Scout knife. But anyway, I was using that chair up here to get the height that I needed so I could lay across the engine bay. But this thing has proved its value many times over the years. When I see them at auctions now, I pick them up and give them to friends and family. But if you want a cost-effective, very useful option for working around the home or farm, I think this is it. So have a great day.